Don't lose weight because someone tells you something about your body weight. Lose weight just because it will help you to lead a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Hey everyone, welcome to the Shift Theory. I'm Quena, your nutrition guide. If you like videos related to nutrition, health, and overall fitness, then consider subscribing my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about what is the ultimate truth about fast weight loss. Now I'm going to show you some exact step-by-step process which are going to surely help you in your weight loss journey. So if you want to know about it, therefore of course you have to stick till the end to watch the full video and get the whole information. Therefore, let's get started. For me, weight loss does not only mean change in our body weight, it also means change in our behavior. To achieve any sort of goal, it is very much important to change our behavior in the very first place. To understand our behavior, we also have to understand that it takes time to change our behavior. Behavior means our mindset. For example, what is my state of mind to lose weight? What is my emotional state? Like how I am feeling about myself to lose weight and how I am feeling about the environment that I am surrounded by. What is my relationship with food? And most important question, how well I can handle stress. The stress from inside and the stress from outside. Because nutrition and psychology go hand in hand. Now, the very first step in your weight loss journey is decision making. Now, ask yourself this particular question: why I have decided to lose weight? Now, options are: option number 1, because I have underlying problems such as PCOD, hypothyroidism, diabetes mellitus, which cause me to gain weight. Option number 2, I'm feeling guilty about my body. Option number 3, I'm just inspired and I want to lose weight to look good. And option number 4, I want to lose weight because I want to be productive and want to lead a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Now choose your options accordingly. Now in the first option, if you feel you need to lose weight because of the underlying problems and you gained a lot of weight, you are absolutely on the right path. Now I'm going to talk about how much you should lose weight a little later, so bear with me. Now, which is very important when the condition is too much sensitive, before modified diet, you need medication. Therefore, it is very much important. Please keep in touch with your doctor because in this case, you need proper medication along with a proper diet. Now in the second option, if you are losing weight or you are going to lose weight just because you feel guilty about your body weight or you are having some sort of pressure, whether pressure from inside or pressure from outside, let me tell you something. Don't lose weight because someone tells you something about your body weight. Lose weight just because it will help you to lead a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Because why I'm talking about this, because it is very much crucial to understand our emotional well-being before we start our weight loss journey, because sometimes when we are overly triggered by our emotions, we may harm our own body unknowingly. Therefore, it is very much crucial to understand, and also it is very much crucial to have a positive mindset, a positive outlook, because it will definitely accelerate your overall weight loss journey and the result will be sustainable. If you feel inspired to lose body weight, then before that you need to consider a few points, like what is your current body weight according to your height, what is your BMI status, what is your body fat percentage. If your BMI status is less than 23 kg per meter square and you are inspired by the idea 10 kg in 10 days, I think this is the high time to rethink about it a little bit. Now, sometimes when we are not involved physically, there is a high probability to gain weight, like gain a little bit of fat inside of our body in the form of belly fat, thigh fat, whatever. But in this case, it can be resolved easily with a correct workout and a proper diet. Now, if your BMI is less than 23 kg per meter square, then your diet chart will be different, your workout regime will be different. Therefore, do not follow any random diet chart, rather ask for help to anybody who can help you properly. Now, why I'm telling it? Because diet chart itself is a trial and error process. Your body requires time to adapt the changes that you are going to provide to your body, because I'm not saying that it is not possible to lose fat fast, because it is absolutely possible to lose weight fast. Because let me tell you something, make sure your result is sustainable, and for that you need to give a proper time to your body so that your body can adapt those changes, because in the end you need to understand what does your body actually want. Now, in the last option, if you want to lose weight just because you want to feel productive and be happy in your life, that you think, that is, of course, that is cool. But again, you need to understand, you need to consider what is your body weight according to your height, and please be mindful while selecting calorie intake. Next point is planning. After understanding your own emotional well-being, that is why you want to lose weight. I'm not talking about how you want to lose weight, because in this case you are going to get plenty of information on how, but this particular why you need to determine. I'm going to talk about next about planning, because if you are serious about your weight loss journey, let me tell you something, planning is the very most important part in any sort of program. You have to set goals. Goal setting is the very important thing. There will be a long-term goal, there will be a short-term goal. Long-term goal, for example, what is the weight that I'm going to achieve and within what period of time I'm going to achieve that particular goal. That is my long-term goal. And in case of short-term goal, like developing new habits, that is my short-term goal, for example, because that I have to do each and every day. So it takes time to develop a new habit, because my mind and body are automatically, they are actually comfortable with a certain type of patterns or food that I used to provide to my body. Therefore, it takes time to develop new habits. Now, after planning comes action. Of course, it is impossible to lose body weight if you do not take any necessary action. Once you're absolutely sure about your meal, your menu, your diet plan, your workout regime, each and everything, make sure you set up your goals properly, your long-term goal, your short-term goal. Therefore, I always prefer to say that please take your time to lose weight, because weight loss is a journey at the end of the day. Because when you give your body that particular time, your body can adapt those changes, your body can accommodate with your changes, and of course the result will be sustainable, of course. Now, few tips from my side. Point number 1, be aware of the myths that is related to weight loss. For example, certain type of food will cause to lose weight fast, or certain type of food will help you to gain weight first. Please be aware of it. If you are not sure about it, please talk to your nearby dietitian properly. Next is, don't rush the process. It differs from man to man, person to person. It depends upon your physiological status, your current body fat percentage, your lifestyle, your metabolic rate, so on and so forth. Therefore, don't rush the process. Don't compare with others. Take necessary action, and your action will definitely guide you or help you to reach out to your destiny. Remember that if you lose weight fast, there is high probability to regain your weight even faster. When we are not working, like during our non-active period, at that time also we need energy. It is called resting energy expenditure. Means the amount of energy that is needed during 24 hours when we are not active. And ingestion and metabolism of food increase the caloric requirement by 7 to 10% of resting energy expenditure. Therefore, you can understand from this particular phenomena that when we lose weight fast, there is also decrease in the energy level, but we need energy, sufficient amount of energy to carry on our biological activities. Therefore, it is to be remembered that lose weight properly under proper supervision. Otherwise, there will be reduction in energy and your body will suffer a lot. In a weight loss journey, you will be put in a negative energy balance, ideally 500 kilocalorie less than your recommended dietary allowance. Normally, 500 gram to 1 kg per week is approved, but it again depends upon your body type, your physiological status. Though it is a low calorie diet, but also we need to make sure that we are having proper nutritional status, specifically the macronutrients and the fat soluble vitamins, especially A, D, E, K. Last but not the least, the fact about carbohydrate. You need right amount of carbohydrate in the right time and in the right form, that is complex carbohydrate. When your body can't get proper amount of energy from carbohydrate and fat, it will burn the tissue protein to generate more amount of energy from your body, and eventually you may suffer from malnutrition. At the end, I want to tell you that yes, it is absolutely necessary to lose weight if you feel that you gained a lot of weight, because obesity may lead you to adverse health effects, for example, arthritis, diabetes mellitus, heart problems, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and beneficial, first of all, don't forget to share this video and give this video a like. And subscribe my channel, turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to make more videos. Okay, so bye for today.